Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel once again, and if you're new then welcome. Y'all already know what today's video is going to be about, so let's get to it. Okay y'all, so first I'm going to be moisturizing my face with the Trader Joe's Ultra Hydrating Gel Moisturizer, and I guess it's a good product. It does the job, so yeah. Okay y'all, so I'm going to be using the NYX Berry Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. The reason why I bought this primer was because my face had been being more dry than usual. You know, it's the winter time now. And it's also why I got that gel moisturizer from Trader Joe's. Like, my skin just needs all the extra moisture that it can get right now. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I don't remember the shade right now, but it's a lot of shades lighter than my actual complexion. But using a lighter concealer is just going to always give you the best color play out when it comes to your eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using this purple shade. That shade and one other color at the palette is the only shades that I'm going to use to do this look. So it's only 2 colors. It's real simple and beginner friendly, and it looks bomb. Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to go with the other shade, but I'm going to spray this brush with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray just to get it wet so that the shimmer shade will apply better. Okay, y'all, so I went and I did my other eye off camera, and now I'm using witch hazel to clean up any fallout that happened when I was applying my eyeshadow. So after that, I had to go back and apply the primer to the areas that I wiped off with witch hazel. And then I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place foundation. I'm now using the shade 230 Legos, however you pronounce it. That shade 230. I was using 310 Burkina for a long time, but that shade just ended up being too bright for me, so 230 is like a perfect match now. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to be using this Real Techniques brush, and then I'm also going to use my Sonia Kashik, I think that's how you pronounce that, the sponge. But this Real Techniques brush is one of my favorites right now. It just blends out the foundation so good, and it's not as big as my other foundation brush, so it gives me like a little bit more control. And then my sponge, of course, just helps give me that extra blend that I need, and then I can reach like the smaller areas that I need to. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna be setting all the places that I put concealer with the banana powder, except for my forehead because it just get really dry right there and patchy. So I'm not putting that right there. But I need a new powder, y'all, because that banana powder is so old. That crap is so old. I do have the Beauty Bakery translucent powder, but I feel like it's more white than it is translucent, and I don't like that. So I really need to go get some more Laura Mercier powder because I really like that. But this shit is expensive. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to put this mascara on my eyelashes before I actually put my falsies on. I'm gonna do that off camera though. And I'm gonna put this Tarte blush on. This is also old, so I really don't know the name of it. I got it out of Ipsy bag a long time ago when I was still getting those things. But I'm not a big blush fan, but I like to use it. But so I don't know. I just use it just cause. So y'all, the same shade that I used on my eyelid, I'm going to use that for my inner corner. I love putting shimmery eyeshadows right there. It's so cute to me. I want to try a look real like a pink or a blue or something right there, like a solid color. But yeah, anything right there is just always so cute to me. Okay, so y'all know I gotta use my all-time favorite setting spray, this Urban Decay All Nighter, y'all. I swear by this shit. I swear by it. I need to go get another one probably soon though. Like, but the 1 ounce is like $15, y'all. It's crazy, but it works so good. I will forever buy it until it stop working. And then after that, I'm gonna clean my lips off because I don't like having like foundation and stuff on my lips. And I'll put some lip gloss on. I tried some lipstick the other day, y'all, and I was just like, mm-mm. But maybe one day. So I'm taking that same shade again that I used on my eyes, and I'm gonna put it, what's that thing? Your Cupid's bow above my lip. I'm gonna put it on my nose. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna put some on my cheeks as well. Okay, y'all, so that's the end of my video. If y'all like how my Get Cute to Go Nowhere makeup look turned out, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell to be notified every time I post. Bye.